We are on our final unit in math, which is all about adding two-digit numbers, which is second grade math. That's right. With our last few weeks of school, we're going to be studying math that second graders do. That's a little scary, but exciting. Before we start, we need to remind ourselves about two-digit numbers and what those really mean. I made slides for this math unit. It's called Exploring Two-Digit Addition. We are studying place value. In math, every digit in a number has a place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in that number. I'm going to start with the ones. The ones are the units that are less than 10 and is the number on the far right. The tens represent groups of 10. This number is to the left of the ones place. And then last is hundreds. Hundreds represent groups of 100. This number is to the left of the tens place. Here are two terms you may hear during our lessons moving forward. Base 10 blocks are manipulatives that we've used to model base 10 numeration. We've used the cubes, the base 10 sticks, and the base 10 hundreds blocks. A place value chart is a way to organize numbers and label their place value. You can see here that the number 52 was placed onto a place value chart. The 5 is in the tens column, and the 2 is in the ones column. All right, this is all starting to come back to me. We used base 10 blocks when we did our 3-act task math activity on Friday. What will we use them for in today's lesson? For this activity, my job is to count the groups of objects or count the base 10 blocks and write how many there are, and then fill out the place value chart. So here are balloons in groups of 10. So I can just count the balloons as 10, 20, 1. There are 21 balloons. Now, I know that there are two groups of 10, so the 2 goes in the tens place, and then there's only one single balloon, so that goes in the ones place. I'm going to keep going through that on the front, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to go to page 2. Page 2 wants me to show the two-digit numbers with base 10 blocks instead of writing the number. So I need to go to the 3 dots, then click Shapes. Then, whoa, that is a big ones cube. I can add in the shapes and put them in the box. 17 has 1 10, but I'm going to need 70 of these ones, and I'm going to resize them so that they fit. Now that I've shown it with cubes, I can press the pen tool and write 1 10, 7 ones. I'm going to complete all of these on the second page, and in this final box here, my job is to make up my own number that is less than 99, and show it and answer the questions. When I am done, I will press the check mark to submit my work. Once you are done with your Seesaw activity, there should be new assignments for you on Splash Math about place value. Have fun exploring numbers in base 10 today.